I want to discuss a topic today which has been in the news for over a month now, and I haven't made a video about this because there's been so much information, and that's been about the recent drone sightings that have been going on in Europe. This started in Denmark and then moved its way all the way down to Belgium. So the question is, drone sightings, true or false? Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. Yeah, good to see you again. It's been a while since our last video, and I just want to say that we've been really busy. In fact, we've been so busy that we've just actually launched our new software platform called Drone Bundle. And Drone Bundle is a drone management software. So if you want to check it out, if you're getting into professional drone operations and you want to start logging your flights, as will be the case in the next year or so, so you'll have to keep a log of everything, this is a platform for you. Sales, invoicing, pilot management, flight management, and it's a great platform that we have developed. So please go and check it out. You can have a free trial for that as well. So please check it out. It's dronebundle.com. But I want to get into today's subject, and that is drone sightings. So this started in September, and it started in Denmark, where there was a report of a drone flying over or nearby the airport. Now, this caused the airport to close down at Copenhagen, and obviously it got quite a lot of news attention. But as it turned out, it wasn't a drone. It was actually manned aviation. It was a small aircraft, as you can see here. And the reason why we know this is because we have the ADS-B data. So as you can see here, this data is showing that this aircraft was flying over, and someone had seen it and then just actually shouted out and reported that there was a drone. Now, this is something which is very common when you're having operations at night time, and something that we do all the time, especially when we're having our drone light shows. So we train all our staff to make sure that their eyes are working at the best possible condition when you're working at night time, so that you don't have any of these false sightings. Now, this is something I think at airports that they don't do. Why, I have no idea. And please, if you do work at an airport and you want your staff to be trained how to see at night time, you can get in touch and we can help you there. But this is something which is becoming more and more common. Now, this started to actually go all the way over to Norway. It happened in Estonia, Latvia, and then went all the way down to Belgium as well. And also there were some reports in Amsterdam. All of these reports turned out not to be drones. In fact, in some cases, there were actually balloons that were actually carrying contraband. So it just shows you how far this actually goes. So I think that when you're, and really what I'm trying to get here is the press. It's the press that are the problem, because they are trying to sensationalize the law. Now, of course, there may be drones actually flying sometimes at some places that they shouldn't fly. Of course, we know that, and this does happen. But until there is hard evidence to say that there is or there is not a drone, we should not be making any presumptions that there is a drone, because it's very damaging, not only to the drone industry, but also to the community as well, and it gives us a bad name. There's myself and many others, Gary Mortimer and Ian Hudson, who's been really working very hard, and also we've also in Netherlands, we've been talking with journalists. We've been really talking with people and trying to get them educated, and it's been interesting this past month, but we've actually kept it as real as possible, and so yeah. But really interested to know your own opinion about this when it comes to drones flying at night time, and do you see them? Some of them are just ridiculous, it really is, but of course it does happen. If you are interested in drone detection, we also have the DroneTag Rider, and as you can see here, this is the DroneTag Rider, and there is a discount on this. If you check the description below, there is a code, and you can get a discount on the DroneTag Rider. and this can also help you do some drone detection as well. It only works for remote ID, so it's throughout Europe and the US. It's a fun little small device, but you can check it out anyway. Anyway, that's all we have on this video, so please like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video, and as always, fly safe.